In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 design using Canva. This is a quick and easy process that will take you just a few minutes to master, so let's dive right in and get started. First, let's navigate to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, you should see a button that says Custom Size. Click on that because this feature will allow us to create a design with dimensions that perfectly suit our needs. Now you might notice that the default unit of measurement is set to pixels, which might not work for everyone if you're specifically looking to create a design in inches, for instance. So next, what you'll want to do is click on the PX option and change it to inches. This simple adjustment is crucial because it sets the framework for the exact dimensions we want, rather than having to guess or convert from pixel measurements later. After you've selected inches, let's go ahead and type in our desired size, 2x2, into both the width and height fields. This ensures that your design will be a perfect 2" by 2" square, ideal for those small projects you might have in mind, like stickers, buttons, or any design where uniform dimensions are a must. Once you've dialed in the width and height as 2x2, it's time to bring your vision to life by clicking the Create New Design button. This step is where the magic happens, as Canva will generate a blank canvas with the exact dimensions you've specified. From here, you have a range of creative possibilities at your disposal. You can add text, upload images, or utilize Canva's vast library of templates and elements to craft precisely what you envision. A little tip to keep in mind as you design: make use of Canva's grid and alignment tools. They can be incredibly helpful in maintaining a clean and professional look. And if you ever get stuck or want to add something extra, don't hesitate to explore Canva's resources. There are so many tutorials and user guides out there to help you make the most of every feature. There you have it, a streamlined and effortless process to create any 2x2 design in Canva. By following these steps, you can ensure that your dimensions are exact, giving you a perfect square every time. As you can see, with a few clicks and inputs, you can quickly tailor your Canva workspace to fit any creative need that comes your way. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.